Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a payout from funding pips or how you can request a payout from funding pips. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com, then click on the option of sign in and you need to log in into your account's dashboard. So your account's dashboard is going to look something like this, where by default you will be in your accounts section. But in order to request the rewards, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of rewards. Now before clicking on the option of rewards, you need to also make sure that this particular section shows you when your payout date is. So you need to simply select that and then simply just click on the option of rewards. Now over here inside the reward section, you are going to see the available payout that you can basically request. So you need to simply click on the option of request reward. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the reward that you are eligible for. Then after selecting it, you need to provide how do you want to get the payout. So whether you want to get it inside a Rise account of yours, or you want a bank transfer, or you want to get it via USDT. So after selecting it, you need to review the details and agree to the terms and conditions and simply click on the option of claim my reward. So funding pips is going to basically give you the payout almost instantly. So you need to just wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You will find its status over here in this particular rewards section. So that's how you can basically request a payout. So it's a very simple and straightforward thing, but still if you are facing any kind of problems while getting your payout from funding pips, you can just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.